What's going on, guys? Dustin with Cardboard Holly with our first of 3 breaks tonight. We have 2015 Triple Threats football at 9:30, Longevities and Stars 2014 football at 10, and at 11 Bowman's Best Baseball. So start with this one tonight. It's May 16, 2016. It's a 3-boxer. And our teams and owners, we have Andrew D. with the Vikings, Ashley H. with the Packers, Billy with the Bills, Panthers, and Cowboys, Brian B. with the Colts, Chiefs, Patriots, Raiders, and Steelers, Carl with the Cardinals. Carl C. with the Cardinals. And we have Carl K. with the Ravens and Rams, Chris L. with the Buccaneers, David S. with the Saints and Redskins, Devin with the Broncos, DJ with the Falcons, Donald P. with the 49ers, Jacob D. with the Chargers, Jamie P. with the Bears, Jeffrey B. with the Lions, Jarrett H. with the Bengals, Lauren M. with the Eagles, Merlin M. with the Texans, Jaguars, Giants, and Seahawks, Richard S. with the Browns, Sean J. with the Dolphins, Terry H. with the Titans, and waiting on payment from Jack Bidding for the Jets. Jack, whenever you get a second, shoot that all over. Here's our boxes for the night, guys. Here's box number 1. There we go. Number 1. Box number 2. Oh. And number 3. Alright, guys, here we go. Good luck, everybody, in this break. Let's get you guys some nice ones tonight. Make sure to break. Make sure you're recording. AP book will go. Alright, man. We'll see what I can do for you. The thin one here. Start us off. You got a thin pack. Alright, here we go. Out of 232. Out of 232, Eddie Lacy for Green Bay. Out of 232, Alfred Morris for Washington. Then our base cards go to RG3. Andrew Luck. Clay Matthews. And our first hit goes to Kevin White. Nice patch. Get some room out of the way here. Kevin White out of 18. It's a nice patch in the middle there. For the Bears. 10 of 18. Kevin White for the Bears. Sean, what's going on, man? 10 of 18 for the Bears. Kevin White. And then we have Vic Beasley out of 50 for the Falcons. 19 of 50 for Atlanta. Vic Beasley. Vic Beasley for the Falcons. Next week. Come on, guys. We got Twitch next week. We're switching to Twitch next week, guys. So if you're back on our breaks next week, make sure you check out the descriptions. We'll have the link in the descriptions like tonight. So make sure you guys keep an eye out for that. We'll be switching to Twitch next week for the reason that last week we got to cancel a break because Breakers was down. But we had to reschedule. And in the ads, the second hit auto was Vic Beasley for Atlanta. So we're switching to Twitch next week, guys, so the link's going to be in our descriptions, so make sure you look out for that. Here we go, out of 50, RG3 for the Redskins, 1 of 50. Alright, Sean, we could do that, man. We'll send you a personal link. Out of 99, Staubach for Dallas, Roger Staubach for the Cowboys. Then our our base cards, go to Mike Singletary. Demaryius Thomas, AP, and our first hit goes to Carlos Williams for the Bills out of 75. Carlos Williams out of 75. A little corner damage down there, unfortunately. For the Bills, 25 of 75. Oh, I know he's useless. You don't have to tell me. He's the worst. Then Ravens, Max Williams out of 70. Triple relic auto, Max Williams for the Ravens. No JK. I'm going to agree with you there. Dan's the worst, man. He is the worst. I'm sure he'll have something to say about that when we're done here. Alright guys, box number 2, mini box number 1. Got a thick one up in here. Got a thick one. Starting off with Marshall Faulk out of 99 for the Rams, 14/99. Then a 217 Des Bryant for Dallas, or 232. Sorry, out of 232. Then we got Romo for Dallas, Alfred Morris for the Redskins, and Big Ben or Roethlisberger for the Steelers. Then first hit's going to San Diego, Antonio Gates out of 18 for the Chargers, 6/18. 3-color patch, 6/18 Antonio Gates. And then for the Browns, Duke Johnson, numbered out of 99. Duke Johnson out of 99 for Cleveland. Relic auto. Box 2, mini 2. All right, we have J.J. Watt out of 199 for Houston. Out of 199, Deion Sanders, Atlanta. Deion Sanders. Oh, we got a 101 coming up, guys. Nice. We got a 101. We got a white whale on its way. Marshall Faulk, base. Dawson, base. Sue, base. Sorry, I wasn't even paying attention. Duke Johnson out of 75 for the Browns. Here we go, guys. 101. Triple relic autos on its way. Good luck, everybody. Hope it's a nice one for you guys. Here we go. I think it's a sick one. I think we got a sick one coming up. Barry Sanders 101. Holy smokes. Boom! Monster in the house. Nasty, nasty, nasty hit. Now that is a hit. That is a hit. 1/1 Barry Sanders. Holy smokes. I'm going to go on a limb here and say that's going to be the case hit. Dang, son. Bang. Whee! That was sweetness. Monster. That's an absolute monster there. That's the second Barry Sanders auto we've hit out of this product. Out of 232, Kurt Warner, Rams. Sean, we hit a Barry Sanders 101 triple relic auto. Marcus Allen out of 232, Oakland. Staubach, Dallas. A lot of Staubach in this brick. Then we got Polamalu, Pittsburgh. Eric Dickerson for the Rams. And then Derek Carr out of 27 for Oakland. Derek Carr out of 27 for the Raiders. 12/27. And we have Cameron Artis Payne, relic auto out of 50 for Carolina. Out of 50, Cameron Artis Payne for the Panthers. Artis Payne. Alright guys, last box, good luck. Just 1 second here. All right. Sorry about that. All right, guys, last box. Out of 232, I believe, 199, Eli Manning. And then Revis out of 199. Then base, Howie Long, Jordy Nelson, Le'Veon Bell. Looks like we have something low numbered here. 12 of 25 coming up. 12 of 25. Jalen Strong for Houston. Almost a jersey number. 12 of 25 for Houston, Jalen Strong. And to finish this up, nice hit here for the Seahawks. Tyler Lockett, triple relic auto, 50 of 50. Looks like we got jersey sleeve maybe, and I don't even know what that is. Also sleeve possibly. 50 of 50, Tyler Lockett. Alright guys, let's go for our hits again, including the monster we had in the middle. Out of 50, Tyler Lockett, triple relic auto, Seahawks. Jalen Strong out of 25 for Houston. Cameron Artis-Payne out of 50 for Tennessee. Carolina, excuse me. Derek Carr out of 27 for Oakland. Oh, you know, just a 101 Barry Sanders, no big deal. Sickening. Sick hit. Duke Johnson out of Cleveland, and then Duke Johnson for Cleveland. Out of 75 and out of 99. So a couple hits there for the Browns. Antonio Gates out of 18 for San Diego. Max Williams out of 70 for Baltimore. Sean, he's got a break tonight at 10. He's doing a Rookies and Stars Longevity 2014. Out of 75, Carlos Williams, Buffalo. Vic Beasley out of 50, Relic Auto, Atlanta. Yeah, Dan will be up next. And we got Kevin White out of 18. Nice relic here. Nice patch for the Bears, 10 of 18. All right, guys, that's our break. If you have any questions, I'm going to hang around for a few minutes until Dan jumps on for his break. Any questions, let me know. If not, thank you for breaking with cardboardhobby.com. We appreciate you guys stopping in, as always. So any questions, feel free to shoot them on over. I'll get back to you.